subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus that is launching on 24th of September in India. The price reveal would be on that day, but for now we'll do the unboxing and quick hands-on based on what the MRP of this phone is given. So this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus and it comes with the Android One. That is the standard for most of the Nokia phones now. And this is the box package, the standard box package, and it comes with these major specifications. That's a 5.8 inch 19.9 HD plus display. That's 720 to 1520 pixels of screen resolution. There's a dual lens camera combination on the back with 13 plus 5 MP, and on the front there's an 8 megapixel camera. There's that advanced AI imaging that is thanks to the Helio P60 chipset that powers this phone, and the dual sight mode where you can simultaneously use the front and rear cameras, a storytelling with the touch live streaming. So there are live streaming options for this on YouTube or Facebook as well. So this is the 5.1 Plus. Let's check the pricing that is given on the box here. It says it's priced at rupees 13,199. So it could be around 13,000 or even 12,000 rupees. And so we'll give our thoughts based on that, if at all it comes with the price of 12 or 13,000 and not lesser than that. So this was the box package, and the first thing that you see here is this phone itself. And with the design wise, you won't see this being any different from the Nokia 6.1 Plus with this glossy back, and it looks beautiful as usual. The build quality, the design, everything from Nokia has come back from what it was in the past. Everything looks good here. The sleek design, the little bump on the back for the rear cameras, and this is the perfect slab design that is given for the Nokia 5.1 Plus. On the front is this 5.84 inch display with that notch on the top, quite a wide notch. We have to accept that. And there's a front-facing 8 megapixel camera, set of sensors, the earpiece are just beside to that. And towards the bottom is this chin as well, with that Nokia branding that is given here. Also for the physical aspect, you see the USB Type-C port towards the bottom, and along with that is the speaker grill and a microphone as well. On the left is a SIM slot which will open and show you what all it comes with. And on the top is a secondary microphone as well as the 3.5mm headset jack. And on the right are the buttons, the volume button as well as the power rocker button. Now pulling out the SIM tray, these are the two trays. The first is for the primary SIM card, that's the nano SIM, and second one either can have a nano SIM or a micro SD card. So this is a hybrid SIM slot that you're getting on the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Now what else comes in the package? Firstly is the SIM ejector pin. And after that there is this set of booklets. This is the Nokia Mobile Care app information, and then the quick start guide. And finally the product and safety info. These are the different booklets that you get in the package. And for the other couple of accessories, the first one is this power adapter, and you can clearly see that it comes with only the 5V two-way output, and so it's the standard charging. There's no fast charge support given for this device, and it comes with 3050 mAh battery with the USB Type-C connectivity. And since we said USB Type-C connectivity, this is the USB Type-C cable that is given for charging the device or connecting it to the PC for the file transfer. Now let's talk about the phone itself. Firstly, what was not mentioned on the box package was the chipset of this phone. It comes with the Helio P60 chipset. That's the MediaTek's Helio P60 that was powering even the Oppo F7, then the Realme One, then the Oppo F9 Pro as well, and even the Oppo F9. So there are quite a lot of phones, and when the Oppo's flagships actually are coming with that chipset, you know there's something to expect from it. And Nokia has done quite a good job there by selecting the P60, which is not a bad chipset at all. Firstly, going into this about, and you can see the model number. The Android version is 8.1.0, and this variant is coming with 3GB of RAM and 32GB storage. And this is not the final storage. We have used quite some storage already to install some important apps that we'll be testing here. So there's about 4GB more than that you get in this. And this is a 3 plus 32GB option, and there might be another 4 plus 64, but we aren't sure about that yet, and we have got only this for the review. So this is the 3 plus 32 option, and this is the notification panel that you can drag down, and you can clearly see the notch on the top of it. If you go into this setting of the display, you don't see the option of the notch. There are options for tap to wake. You can double tap anywhere on the screen to wake the screen, and there's the other features as well, but there's night light as well, but there's no option to turn out to clear the notch. So that notch is there to stay. Earlier there was an issue with the Nokia 6.1 Plus. First it had the option to remove the notch, then the company had removed it, again they're bringing it back, but we don't see that feature here. You always have to bear with that notch if you have to use this phone. And under the security and location, you see that there's option for the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the back. We have been trying the same on the Nokia 6.1 Plus and even on this. The fingerprint sensor actually works well and it recognizes the fingerprints well for unlocking the phone. But we don't see the face unlock feature here for unlocking the device. For now, there won't be any face unlock, but we expect that to be coming out with a future software update. For the pre-installed applications, these are not pre-installed, the benchmarks. At least there's FM radio, Files Go is pre-installed here, and there is support, wallpapers, and also the Google Play app as well. So this is the Android One program. So you see the basic Google apps that are pre-installed here, and there's nothing else. These are the apps that we had installed, so they are not coming out out of the box. So this is the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Let's move into the camera application. This is the camera app, and you know what to expect again from Nokia. There are a lot of features on the top itself. There's this for the flash, then there's this for the HDR. This is the single, dual, or the picture-in-picture, where if you go to the dual option, you see that these are the two options here. You can have both of them turn on together, and then these are the other features. There's beautification for both the rear camera as well as for the front-facing camera. There are these AR emojis. There are not a lot of them, but still you see them. And Google Lens is also a part of the camera app, which is a good thing here. Now these are the other features. There's photo, panorama, live bokeh, manual, and settings. Getting into the settings, these are the different settings for the camera application. For the resolution, since this is a 13 megapixel camera on the back, the primary one, it comes with a 4:3 aspect ratio. And if you want a 16:9, you can go to the 9MP option. And on the front is an 8 megapixel camera that comes with the f2.2 aperture. The 13MP camera on the back is coming with the f2.0 aperture. Now these were the settings for the photo. Now getting into the video settings, you see that the resolution that is possible at max is an HD 1080p. There's no 4K video recording possible with the P60 chipset here, and that is it with the video recording. There's the option for time-lapse and slow motion as well. So these were the different photo and video settings. We have taken a couple of captures, quick captures in bright light conditions, and these are the shots. Anyway, we are attaching them here for you for a better understanding. Though we saw that these were quite good and close to how we saw it on the natural conditions, like to our direct eye, and the photos coming out were not that bad. Though we had expected a bit better from Nokia, at least on the camera aspect, but it's not bad, it's not overwhelming as well. This is one of the selfies that was taken here, and again, every selfie you see that the colors are changing a bit, even though we are in the same place. So it takes into account everything on the background as well, and this is the non-bokeh one. So these were the few camera samples as well, and this was overall about the Nokia 5.1 Plus that might be priced at rupees 12,000 to 13,000. And we had expected the 4GB RAM variant here, but it's the 3+32 option that you're getting for 12 to 13,000 rupees. Though it's still not a bad deal considering that you're getting the Helio P60 chipset. The only problem would be the display, that is the 720p into 1520 pixels. That's a HD plus display. It should have been the full HD one, though that is what we're getting with the 5.1 Plus here. So this was the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Nokia 5.1 Plus. If you have any other questions, do let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.